Hello, my name is Brian Parham and I'll be your Guitar Sensei. In this video, I want to talk about scales. Why should you learn them and which scales should you learn first? But before we dive in, I want to say thank you so much to those of you who are part of the Rock Dojo community. Your support helps me share the positive power of rock guitar with kids all over the world. And if you're not part of that community, just hit the subscribe button. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. Now, scales. You should learn scales for a number of reasons. Number one, they're amazing for your technique. In fact, almost every technical problem you're going to encounter on the guitar can be solved by regularly and consistently practicing your scales. Number two, all music theory is derived from the major scale. So if you have a firm understanding of the major scale, that's going to inform everything else you do on the guitar. And number three, learning your scales is great for creativity. If you want to write better melodies, guess what? Study the major scale. If you want to write better chord harmonies, guess what? Study the major scale. It's an awesome way to unlock your creativity. Now, which scales should you learn? Well, the first scale that you should learn is the minor pentatonic scale. It looks and sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I happen to be in the key of A because my pointer finger is on the 5th fret of the low E string, and that's an A note. So I'm going 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. And another key to this scale is understanding this simple concept. Every time I play the 5th finger, or every time I play the 5th fret, I'm using my pointer finger. Whenever I play the 8th fret, I'm using my pinky. So the scale really goes pointer, pinky, change strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, pinky, change strings, pointer, pinky. So that's the first scale you should learn, the A minor pentatonic scale. Now let's check out the second scale you should learn. The A major pentatonic scale. It's almost exactly the same thing. In fact, your fingerings are exactly the same. I'm just going to slide my fingers down, my hand down 3 frets. So I was in position number 5. I'm going to go to position number 2. 1, 2, 3. I'm going 3 frets down. This time I'm going to start on my pinky though, and I'm going to play the same fingering. So I'm going to go on pinky, changing strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, pinky, change strings, pointer, pinky. Going in reverse. Now, I haven't showed you the last note, which is the pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. So let me give you the fingerings for this. Pinky, change strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, ring, change strings, pointer, pinky, change strings, pointer, pinky. And when you go back up, pinky, pointer, ring, pointer, ring, pointer, ring, pointer, pinky, pointer. So that's your A major scale, pentatonic scale, A major pentatonic scale. And now it's time for the third and final scale in this lesson is the C major scale. In open position, it looks and sounds like this. So I'm starting with my ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, and I'm playing 3rd fret. I'm going to the next string. I'm playing open D, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd fret. So far we have, I'm going to change strings and go open 2, which is open middle finger, and then I'm going to go to the B string and finish it off with open 1. So that goes. Now I'm going in reverse. Pointer, open, change strings, middle, open, change strings, ring, middle, open, change strings, ring finger. So there you have it. Now you know scales are an awesome way to, first of all, increase your technique. Second of all, understand music theory. Third of all, improve your creativity. And the 3 scales you should learn, and in which order: A minor pentatonic scale, A major pentatonic scale, followed by the C major scale. And for sticking around, I have a free gift for you. Free guitar course for kids. Just click the link in the video at the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free. You'll never miss a lesson. And remember, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become. Rock.